Brothers don't shake hands. See you.
See you too.
And tell people where we are.
Yes, today. Wait.
Nope. Anthony, you want to tell people where we are?
We're Crunch Labs, Mark Rober's place.
Hey, I'm Bob and I like to make stuff. Today we're gonna make a pin board, press, step for Mark Rober.
That's me. How about we'll do, Bob, how about we do a pin board and then you're like, for Mark Rober. That's me.
Okay, so it's
so
like.
you actually don't, you say for Mark Rober, then I come out. That's me.
Okay, a pin board, press for Mark Rober, step.
That's me, yeah. And which camera am I looking at?
Looking at him.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Bob and I like to make stuff. Today we're gonna make a pin board.
Sorry, this was the real thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Bob and I like to make stuff. Today we're gonna make a pin board.
But like, this is the one we're doing, this is the actual.
Hey, I'm Bob and I like to make stuff. Today we're gonna make a pin board.
Sorry, that's just, I screwed that up. Go again. I'm overthinking it now, I'm overthinking it. I'm in my head. Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, I'm Bob and I like to make stuff. Today we're gonna make a pin board for Mark Rober.
That's me! I was also looking at the wrong camera.
Today we're gonna make a pin board for Mark Rober.
That's me.
Yes. All right, we wrapped the video. And now we're just still at Crunch Labs, and we're gonna goof off for a while. Right, Bob?
Yes. Finally.
Welcome to Crunch Labs.
Wait a minute.
Wait a second.
This is why we're here. We're secret door experts.
That's right.
Welcome to the Crunch Labs, Bob.
This is awesome.
You like to make stuff, but so do I.
I can see that. All right, so is there anything in here that wasn't in your like reveal video? Got anything new?
There's some stuff that wasn't in, like there's a secret place for like, we keep like all of our really expensive equipment.
Okay.
I definitely didn't reveal that in the video. I'm not gonna say.
That's fine, that's fine.
Not gonna say.
Cool.
But it's right over there. Just kidding. So you're like 2 weeks too early.
Oh.
Because we're like, one thing we're doing is when you open the bookshelf or the secret passage in the Coke machine, we have like fog machines now that like whoosh, will come down and play like that doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, like the secret or discovery, you know?
We'll come
the
back.
disco ball also wasn't in there, that's new.
Use that a lot?
So here is the Crunch Labs cave. This is where we actually like design the toys.
Awesome.
The joke I make every time is this is like the Jurassic Park tour, you know?
Oh,
this
yeah.
is like our scientists working. They're actually animatronic. They're not real designers. And this is the bathroom. One of you guys come in here with me. Yeah, camera.
He's never gonna not talk about this moment.
He's in the bathroom with Mark Rober.
So if I open this like a pig and I don't put it down, and then I try and get out, it's locked. Which is very funny, actually. Can you hear me, Bob?
Yeah.
We have like people who come in and clean every Monday morning, and we came in the other day, and this woman is like screaming on the door. Please don't tell OSHA. Okay, and then when this goes down, you can actually hear it. And now, it's open. And then the other cool thing is if I flush this, I don't want to waste water, so I'm gonna fake it by hitting this limit switch. And then I don't touch this, there's a capacitive sensor. And then I open the door, that means I didn't wash my hands, which means the light goes off. I shouldn't have told you that. So,
That's great.
The bathroom freshener in there is a bathroom freshener, it's fart spray. This is also classic. This is kind of the hangout break area. Of course, you got chopsticks there. Okay, can you play the piano?
I can.
Do you want to play that? Do you know that?
I don't know that.
Or what's a duet you could play?
I don't have a duet.
Okay, I'll teach you this. All you do is this.
2, 3, 4.
I'll let you go through. Yep. Oh, this man knows what he's doing. He knows his way around the ivories. Hey, hey. Just keep going.
I know how far we're going.
Okay, now you gotta play a sonata.
Yeah, now you have to play something that's like.
Oh, I don't know if I have anything like.
Everybody get ready.
Here he comes. It's gotta be copyright free.
Seen these in like movies.
I know, let's go, Mom. I would say it's impossible to tip over, but it's not
No,
from
I'm sure
personal
it's not.
experience, but it sure feels like, isn't it like a terrifying feeling?
It is yeah, it feels like it's about to go over. That last little bit.
It triggers that like,
Especially with the table right behind my head.
yeah.
Cool, that's fun.
But you look awesome doing it, that's the thing. Here's our claw machine we stole from Denny's.
It's an American institution.
Denny's actually saw this, I put this in this thing, and they like wanted to do a collab.
Really?
Yeah. But the cool thing here is this is like also the, oh come on baby.
Look at that.
So here's the thing though, this normally only comes with 3 claws, so we like 3D printed to get 4 claws so you could actually win.
Yeah.
Also in my next video, we're going in like showing which games are scams and stuff and how to beat them. And we've looked up like all the manuals for all the machines. And a lot of claw machines, there's a torque setting and you say, hey, every 100th time, actually have enough torque, basically pressure to pick up the thing.
Okay.
So it's like, it's bull crud.
Yep.
This is also the entrance from our Coke machine. Comes in here.
Oh, right on.
So you can also like stick your head up there, get your good Instagram photo.
Did she get you? Oh my god. So much is happening right now. Are you okay? I'm fine. I just tripped over the edge. What you got? There's an edge there. So much just happened in the last 5 seconds. Were you recording the entire time? Yeah. Oh, you made it. No, it's okay. Oh, that'd be even harder.
Perfect. You're a tall human.
Ow. Get him.
Are you good at Street Fighter 2?
No.
Oh, come
you
on.
can win.
Who's the best at Street Fighter 2 on your team?
One of them.
All right, I want to play them then.
Okay.
The high score Street Fighter 2 at the arcade.
Who?
My 12-year-old son.
Oh, really?
But he cheats, and I'm gonna cheat in his honor.
Okay, let's go. And by the way, so here's what I was saying. I didn't show this on my video, but this will switch from regular NES to SNES, and then this actually switches from the controllers to the arcade. Are you better with the controllers or the arcade ones? Okay, so if this is my sandbag. If I lose,
he's walking
this
it
is
back
why.
This is not who I play, but this is how my son gets high score. This is all you do. I'm not going according to the plan.
What I'm gonna do is beat you.
I deviated from the plan for a second.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Got him.
Got it, well done. I make all my guests do that so I can flex on them. And then the Nerf wall, of course. I feel like you guys have like you have some kind of Nerf armory, right?
We've got not an armory, but we have a lot of Nerf.
These ones are like the best. I can't believe, I wish they had these when I was a kid. You've seen these ones?
Yeah.
They're crazy. Like, I can't even believe this is like legal. Which Josh?
You can shoot that, Josh.
You're Josh? Okay. They said I could do it. Yeah, that's right. Let's go, E-Honda.
Oh, nice.
It's like pretty accurate.
It is
too,
pretty good.
right? And then this is my favorite part, I think, of the whole place, which is, I explained in my video, but fireman's pulls suck, you know? Because you're like, you squeak down. So this is the fireman's piston, just uses pneumatics, the restriction of airflow. And you know, it's one of these like stunt things. So you just hold it like this, and then you just step off and hope no one's coming down the hallway. And you feel like a superhero.
That's pretty awesome. Yeah, that's
nice. and we can continue the tour. This is my workbench. So this was at my house, but then I was like, it's nicer to film here, so we like build an exact replica. Yeah, that's your sticker right there. We should take a picture with that. All right, which brings us into this room, which is the arena room. Yeah, so we're putting a basketball hoop up there. That's nice. New. Pickleball court wasn't in the original video. World's longest Hot Wheels track. A foam pit.
Don't injure yourself. Oh my gosh. I'm making nervous.
Swim down to the bottom.
Okay, here we go. Nice.
Oh.
If you push this, then it reveals the secret museum in here.
Yes.
Which we can come and see. First, you gotta exit through the gift store. The evolution of the glitter bomb.
Wow.
5.0 this year is gonna have drones. This is from my first ever video. This is OG YouTube right here.
I remember that.
Yeah, like 11 years ago almost now.
Wow.
This is you right here, yeah?
Yeah. I mean,
Bob,
deep in there, yeah.
Yeah, the structure and stuff. But this is, I learned from you on this one how you scale stuff up. Remember that?
Yeah.
Roll the clip.
Printed out a profile view of the original Super Soaker and then drew a 1-inch grid across the top of it.
Oh, that's how they do it. What else? We did the car horn together, right?
Well, you kind of ripped the car horn off.
Oh, that's right. That's right, we didn't do that together.
Yeah,
but I shouted you out in it.
He claimed recently that was a collaboration. And I remember like a month or so after he put his video out, he's like, hey, remember the thing? Yeah.
No, but in my video, don't I say?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, I give you credit.
In fact, Bob was actually
PA speaker.
in that video.
Components, my buddy Bob from the YouTube channel ILikeToMakeStuff came up
And to be fair, I did have the idea already, but then when you implemented it, I just...
Well, I had that idea, and then...
Oh yeah, I just did it first.
Yeah.
The automatic bullseye dartboard.
It took you like 3 years. It was gonna take me like 4 years, so I just let you have that one.
You let me, fair enough, fair enough. And then we come upstairs.
There you go.
No one does it better. No one does it better. You guys all have to take your turn signing the wall. All right, give it a shot, Bob.
All right. Anything in particular?
No, I mean, if you want the 10 grand, you should go for the center.
I don't want to go. I gotta try it before.
No, I mean, you haven't signed the wall.
Oh.
It does, okay, to be clear,
Okay.
You don't get it if you get it right now, because you have to sign the wall before to make it official.
I see.
And by the way, it's once in your lifetime. So if you ever think you're gonna come back here, you may not want to waste it on this turn. You know what I mean? Okay. That was close. I almost wish you would have made it, but because you didn't sign the wall. Oh man.
You didn't let it.
This thing is wobbly.
Oh, dang! Dang, that was good. We almost had steak tonight.
I could have died. Oh my gosh.